Actually, Penna Cement is going on a very aggressive growth path. We started a couple of years back as a very small mini cement plant, 600 tons clinker per day. Today we are one of the biggest in Andhra Pradesh, almost 15,000 tons plus per day clinker. We have 4 factories and we have also expanded into Maharashtra, grinding unit at Patas near Pune. And now we are going in for a big growth in terms of the coastal area. We have Krishnapatnam Port grinding center, 4 million tons, which is the largest in the world. And we are very proud to be commissioning it sometimes in the first quarter in 2018. We have also got our own, bought our own ships at a substantial cost to make sure that the supply to our customers is continuous. Krishnapatnam Port will be the mother plant for terminals across the coast, starting with Gopalpur on sea in Orissa, and then as we move up towards the east, Kedarpur Port in Calcutta, and then deep getting into the south, Karaikal terminal in Karaikal Port, and then Cochin, which is almost ready now, Cochin terminal, and then finally in Colombo. So we have planned these 5 terminals along the coast. This is the first company in India having taken a very strong coastal strategy in line with the government's proposal of the Sagarmala project. I think we are fully supporting that project of the government to be able to use the waterways and the ocean, because the roads are getting congested and we would be using this. It's a cheaper mode of transport, and we make sure that we are available in all these markets at reasonable prices because of this project that we have taken. It's a costly, ambitious project, but we are quite confident of implementing it in time and making it viable.
So, what is the current production, sir?
Currently, we are doing about 7 million tons, and our plan is to go in another 2 years to 15 million tons. Because after doing this project in the south, we are putting a new line in Bodepalli in our AP, and then we are putting a 5 million ton capacity in Rajasthan, which is one greenfield line, and along with that 2 more grinding centers. So we should be 15 million by 2019 end.
So, coming to the overall industry, sir, what is the present situation?
Overall industry, I think we have just got out of, like everybody else, out of demonetization and GST. I think GST for cement has more or less settled now. It shouldn't be a problem. And we are operating mostly in the south now. So we find that Andhra growth and Telangana growth is very good. Karnataka also is doing well. And the only issue where still there is a grey area is Tamil Nadu, where ever since this flooding was there 2 years back, then it was followed by the death of the Honorable Chief Minister at that time, Madam Jayalalitha, and then the Jallikattu, and then the biggest problem there is sand. There is no sand available. So Tamil Nadu is facing a very serious crisis. Kerala is doing well. Maharashtra we expect to pick up, although last 1.5 to 2 years, Maharashtra also has been very, very slow. It is actually the biggest capacity state in the country, but it has been very, very slow as far as growth is concerned in the last 2 years. But of late there have been a very large number of good projects announced in Mumbai and in Maharashtra, mainly in the hub of Mumbai, and then of course in and around Nagpur. So we expect from early next year very good growth coming in from Maharashtra. Andhra will continue to follow. We are also getting into the east, where we expect good growth. It has been very dull till now. The overall cement market has been negative, and like I said, we expect from next year the growth to be picking up, and we expect the cement to be doing well from next year onwards.
So, coming to the future plans, sir, you mentioned the upcoming plans. So, when will the complete?
See, the Krishnapatnam port should be ready in the first quarter 2018. Patas also, our grinding center in Maharashtra, should be ready in the first quarter. And our new line in Bodepalli should be ready by next year end. And then we are starting off, like I said, Rajasthan, which should take at least another 2 years for it to complete. But all the projects are going full steam, and we do hope that all our terminals also should be ready by the middle of next year. That is Gopalpur on sea, Kedarpur in Calcutta, Karaikal in Tamil Nadu, Cochin in Kerala, and then Colombo in Sri Lanka.
So, next financial year, sir, what is the target?
Next financial year, we are looking for at least a 20-25% growth with these terminals coming on board. And we do have hope that we get a good pricing support, because in cement, the heart and the main thing is the pricing. So we have been having a pretty low pricing for the all these in the last 1.5 years. We expect it to pick up now.
So, Telangana dealers meet, sir.
I think this is an annual feature we have. We have a very strong set of dealers, which are the main base for our being able to be so successful in the market. Very dedicated, good dealers, and today is a day where we honor the good performers, and we have a very good attendance today. As you can see, almost 400 plus people have come. So we have this annual ritual. This will be followed by our dealer meets for Andhra, and then Telangana is just getting over, then Tamil Nadu. That state-wise we have, and we get a very good response. So as you see, it's a house full today, even though it's a working day and a daytime. So I think Penna being one of the oldest companies in Andhra, we do expect the dealer support to continue, and with that we continue being the top cement companies in the south.